Hello everyone, myself Sharanya Krishna Shetty. I am from SAS Institute. My topic is about capital budgeting. What is capital budgeting? Capital budgeting is defined as the process by which a business determined with a fixed asset purchase or a profit investment are acceptable and which are not. Means we are investing in a proper way is acceptable or not. Using this approach, each proportional investment is given a qualitative analysis allowing rational judgment to be made by the business owner. Features of capital budgeting: there is a long duration between the inter investment and the expected return. The organization usually estimate large profit. The process involves high risk. It is fixed investment on over the long run. Investment made in a project determine the future financial condition of an organization. All the project required significance and a clarification function. The amount of the investment made in the project determines the profitability of a company. Objective of capital budgeting: capital expenditures are huge and have a long term efforts. Therefore, while performing a capital budgeting analyzing, an organization must keep a following objective in a mind: selecting a profitable project, capital expenditure control, and find the right sources for a fund. Selecting profitable project: an organization come across various profitable project frequency, but due to capital restraints and organization need to select the right maximum of profitable project that will increase it a shareholder visit wealth. Capital expenditure control: selecting the most profitable investment is the main objective of a capital budgeting. However, controlling capital cost is also an important objective. Forecasting the capital expenditure requirement and the budgeting for it, and ensuring no investment opportunity are lost in a cult of the budgeting. Finding the right sources for a fund: determining the qualitative of the fund and the sources for a processing them in another important objective of the capital budgeting. Finding the business balance between the cost of the borrowing and returns on the investment is an important goal of the capital budgeting. Capital budgeting techniques. Payback period: it refers to a time taken by a proposed project to a general ensure income to cover the inter investment. The project with the quick payback is chosen by the company. The company may enclose two projects with the same payback period, where one different high cash flow in the earlier stages years. In such a case, the payback period may not be applicable. The formula for the payback period is initial cash investment divided by annual cash flow. Net present value method, NPV. Evaluation capital investment project is what the NPV method helps the company with. There may be a inconditional in the cash flow creates over time. The cost of the capital is used to discount it. Evaluation capital investment project is what the NPV method helps the company with. There may be a conditional in the cash flow creating over time. The cost of the capital is used to discount it. This method considers the time value of the money and attribute to the company objective which is to maximize profit for its owners. Interest rate of return: IRR refers to the method where the NPV is zero. In such as a condition, the cash flow rate equals to the cash outflow rate. Altogether, it consider the time value of the money. It is one of the competitive method. It follows the rule that if the IRR is more than the average cost of capital, then the company accept the project or else it reject the project. If the company face a situation with a mutual project, then the project offering the higher IRR is selected by them. Profitability index. This method provides the ratio of the present value of the future cash inflow to the indirect investment. A profitability index that present a value lower than 1.0 is a individual of the low cash inflow that the increased cost of the investment. Thank you.